Yeah. That's what it did. You already know it's Westside. 7-4, Hoover. Grooving to the world, stop moving that back with a passion. You already know what this is. This ain't me grooving, man. Free my nigga right this grooving, nigga. Wait till you come home. You already know what it is. We got you, nigga. You know I'm holding it down for you. Fuck everybody else. You already know what it is.
But man, what y'all think about me? I'm still
I got you, my nigga. I already know you got you going to that body bag, nigga. You already know. Yeah. 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 They already know. It's time for you to come home, my nigga. I already know what it is. Free my nigga Reckless. 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 Let him out of the jail. Soon as you come home, nigga, we raise an orange hell. Yeah. Free my nigga Reckless. 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 You already know I'm holding it down for you for this for my note. Better yet this day shit, nigga know we spray good. Any nigga talk right, he's going to end me spray shit. I don't give a fuck how the other niggas feel. You free my nigga right, cause you know I'm ready to kill. Smash on sight, let a nigga talk shit. But my pen call me while I empty out for cut. I don't give a fuck how the other games do. But you already know 7-4, what the fuck we do? Niggas already know. Reckless Groove, that's my brother, man. Hit his ass up with the nigga would talk shit. This is my shit. How a nigga fucking feel? It's 7-4 grooving, niggas know we ready to kill. Come on, Reckless, come home, cause you know we fucking miss you, nigga. You already know I'm pulling shots on any nigga. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless Groove. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless Groove. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless. Let him out of the jail. Soon as you come home, nigga, we bring it on tail, bitch. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless Groove. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless. Let him out of the jail. Soon as you come home, nigga, we raise it on tail. And we killing up these bitch-ass niggas that tell. It's his HK. Niggas already know the deal. Free my nigga, wait till he come home, then his phone. My niggas is gon' be on the block with that chrome Reckless. That's one real ass nigga on the hood. Y'all niggas already know what the fuck is good, yeah. Shots out to my niggas in Houston. It's 52 Hoover gangsta crip over there, they grooving. Fuck my enemies, nigga, I ain't gon' never shake hands. They grooving out in Portland, yeah, you seen that shit on Gangland. New York, oh yeah, Wolfpack niggas got niggas shook. You already know niggas like straight get took, yeah. And nigga, we ain't rolling. Niggas don't know what the fuck it is, bitch. Ain't shit strolling. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless Groove. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless Groove. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless. Let him out that jail, nigga. When you come home and we bring the orange hell, nigga. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless. Free my nigga Reckless Groove. Free my nigga Reckless, nigga. You already know 7-4 Groove.